Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to change your light bulbs. So the ones you're gonna need are H7 12 voltage 55 watts. These are 5000 kelvins, and also you can use gloves so you don't touch the bulb. First thing you want to do is turn your wheel like this, so you have access to plastic here. This is where you're gonna open it, just like that. Twist, open, put this aside, and what you're gonna do right now is this pin right here, push it to the left, this goes back, and then the light bulb comes out just like that. What you want to do is press here, and as you can see, it's coming off. Just pull here, it comes out just like that. Now I'm gonna grab the other one. Here's the new one. This is whiter look. It's not gonna be yellow anymore. It's gonna look better. Just put it right there, and then make sure the cables are inside. Put it the same way. This goes on just like that, and then you push this and put it where its place is, right there. Make sure it's tight. Then you get the plastic, make sure the rubber is on so it doesn't get water inside. Right there, and then twist to the right. And now you're gonna do exactly the same on the other side. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.